What's up, Scrappy peeps? It's now Vicky Quill, and I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm doing an Inky unboxing, and I have a helper that's crawling around on the floor. Hello, do you want to come over and say hi? Come on. He's just sitting and staring at me. But I have a little helper, so he might come in and play with the things once he hears me rustling around with them. But I've got the new goodies from Coco Vanilla, which are beautiful. It's called More Than Words, the collection, and I'm guest designing for them in February, so stay tuned to their blog. Beans, Archie, look at this, look at this. Archie Beans, what are you up to? Hi. Oh dear. Hi. Can you say hi? Can you wave? Can you wave? So first of all, I was blown away by the embellishments because there was a pack that had all little bits in them, and one of the things, it's like Zoe read my mind, that I needed in the world. So first of all, I will show you up close. I might put like up close photos here so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Beans, don't knock the table. The first thing that I love, oh, are you going to be able to see them? Oh, maybe not. The first thing are these beautiful, beautiful little enamel dots, and they've got tiny little hearts, and they're turquoise and pink and like an orangey coral and grey and white, and they're just beautiful. Hello? Hi? What are you doing with the table? So because I've moved something, he's like the bunnies. You know how the bunnies can't really deal, if you watch our vlog channel, you know, they can't really deal with moving furniture. Turns out this guy can't either. Yeah, look at all the pretty stuff. So then we have these beautiful flare badges, and the thing that I like about them is that, yes, there are some that are really pink and girly, but there's a beautiful blue one and a deer one and a kiss hug that'd be perfect if you wanted to do masculine blue boy pages as well. We also have, look at this one, Arch. The prettiest stamp set that I've ever seen. That floral is just divine. It's beautiful. So there's a gorgeous stamp set. Maybe you can hold on to that one, Arch. Do you want to hold on to that one? Yes. And then the thing that I was probably most excited about with all of these embellishments, apart from the little enamel dot heart thingies, are the vellum floral pack. And in this floral pack, you get so many beautiful florals. Some of them are just black and white, which I think would be really, really stunning with a black and white photo or on a monochromatic layout. And then some of them are colour. And then of course you get the ephemera pack, which is bursting with little things. I'm so frustrated with ephemera packs that are just all big pieces, and the thing I love about the Coco Vanilla ones is that they include the small little words and little hearts and little flowers and all the things that I love to sprinkle on my embellishment clusters. So they're all the embellishments. Should we look at the other stuff, Beans? Yeah? Ta, Mama Ta, thank you. Whoops, whoops. Let's see what else we've got. So we have a 6x6 paper pad, and the thing I love about 6x6 paper pads is that the designs they shrink. So if there's something that you if there's something that you really like that is maybe too big to make a Project Life card out of, you could always use the 6x6 paper pad. I think that if you're, we don't eat the 6x6 paper pad. No. I think that if you're someone who does card making or Project Life, then this 6x6 paper pad is so handy, and it's definitely one that I always try to get. Excuse you. Next up, we have two sets of chipboard. One of them is like patterns and embellishments and things. How he's found the box. We're having a bit of a box moment with Archie's favourite toy at the moment is boxes and drink bottles. He's a very cheap child. He has lots of beautiful toys, but They seem to be the favourites. So he can play with that for a moment. But the first one are all different little pieces of chipboard. So there's little hearts, there's big words, there's sayings, and they're all in my colours. They're pinks, they're turquoise, and they're just going to be so much fun to play with. And then the next one, which I thought was really fun, are all black words. So these would be great for titles, or even if you wanted to, sometimes what I like to do is combine my titles when I'm doing a layout. So I might do, you know, Sweet Boy. I'm just thinking of that because it's a layout that I made recently. And I'll do Sweet with one font and Boy with the other font. So these would be perfect for that as well. And then, excuse me, you can play with that. And then we have the collection kit, which has, how many papers? 18 double-sided 12 by 12s, plus a coordinating sheet of stickers. So I will show you these up close so you can actually see them. But I thought today, because someone was awake, and because it's been a little while since you've probably seen him, and he's grown up so much, that I'd have him. I'm going to end up with a box on my head, aren't I? Archie, boxes don't go on. Boxes aren't hats. Oh, now I've found the paper. So you get so many beautiful papers in the kit. And I also like to, I did a layout probably about 6 months ago where I used the, what kit was it? It wasn't Bohemian Dream. I used one of the packaging pieces as well for a layout, so don't throw that away because it can come in handy. But the papers are just a really, if you haven't seen them before, they're a really nice thick quality, and Archie's a fan of them. There's cut apart, there's some beautiful neutral pieces, and then there's also some pages which would be fun to either fussy cut out. You're not going to be able to see that. Oh, can you see it? Nope, can't see it. But there are also some pieces that would be great to fussy cut or paint as well. So that will be fun. And the sticker sheet with tiny words. You know how I love tiny words. So I can't wait to dive into that and have a little play with it. I'm almost, here's a bit of an update too, because I want to film a Project Life update with a bit of a video on my process and how I go about scrapbooking my Project Life, because in one weekend, if you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen this, but I did 39 pocket pages in one weekend because I desperately need to catch up. And so that was really fun. It was fun to do. No, don't come to Mama. Come to Mama instead. It was really fun to catch up and see how much I could do of this little guy's first year. But I think now we we might have a cuddle and a bit of a play with some blocks because someone's on the go. There he goes. And then this afternoon I'm going to film a couple of videos using the More Than Words collection. Thank you very much, sir. And I'll see you guys all really soon. Bye.